Are you getting another instance is already running error messages on your Windows 11? Here is a complete guide on what to do. This is the Windows Club. Some Windows users have reported that when running a game, an app, or a setup, they get an error message stating that another instance of the same task is running in the background. Due to this, the app refuses to open. If you are getting the same error message, let's get started and see how you can fix it. Method 1. Close the application process from the task manager. Sometimes we accidentally start an instance of a particular program and are oblivious to its existence. So close it from Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on the running instance of that app. Select End Task. Once done, reopen the app and check if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Restart your PC. Restarting the system will end any running instance of the app and give you a clean slate. So restart your PC and then reopen the particular app. Method 3. Update Windows and the application or game. Due to a bug or incompatibility, Windows behaves peculiarly and refuses to launch an app. So update Windows and the game or the app. Type check for updates in the Windows search and press enter. Click on the check for updates button. Download and install if any update is available. You must also update the application or the game that you were trying to install. To update Windows apps, visit Microsoft Store using Windows search. Go to Library and click on Get Updates. This will update all the apps downloaded from the Microsoft Store. To update games, go to the game distribution platform like Steam, Microsoft Store, Epic Games Store, etc. Head to the library of your installed games. Games with available updates will have an update button next to them. Click on the button to download and install the update. Method 4. Restart the Windows Installer Service. The Windows Installer Service manages all installation processes for the Windows operating system. If the service is faulty or disabled, services dependent on Windows Installer will not run properly. So restart the service. Open the Services app using the Start menu. Look for Windows Installer Service. Right-click on it and select Restart. In case it is not running, click on the Start option. Method 5. Re-register Windows Installer Service. To unregister and re-register the Windows Installer Service, type CMD in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Type the following commands and hit enter after each one. Once done, exit the command prompt window. Save all your work and restart your computer. Method 6. Check and troubleshoot in clean boot state. If all else fails, we need to investigate if there is a third-party app that's running in the background and not conflicting with the process you're trying to run. Press Windows plus R to launch Run utility. Type msconfig in the Run command box and press enter. Click on the General tab and select Selective Startup. Uncheck the checkbox for Load Startup items. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services option and click on Disable All. This will disable all but the Microsoft services that are running in the background. Now right-click on the Windows Start menu and select Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab. Right-click on each startup item that you want to disable. Click on the Disable All option. Once you have disabled all the startup items, restart your PC. After the computer starts in a clean boot state, check if you can run the app without any error messages. If you can't do the same, enable processes manually to find out what's causing the issue and then disable that process. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.